Hello guys, welcome back to Delightful Scrapbooking. I know it's been a while, but you know, holiday season is just, I had shopping to do, cards to make, and mini albums to make, and I was decorating for the holidays. But I'm here today to show you my second swap that I got from the Scrap Shack. And it's a notebook and altered pen swap. And without further ado, I'd like to show you what Dalene made for me. Okay. Here's the notebook, guys. These are all, these flowers that you see are clay. Polymer clay, and I don't know what line of designer paper this is, but it is pretty. And she used blues and pinks for this notebook that she made for me with a glittery green ribbon. She also made this little blue ribbon as a tab for like a bookmark. So like I'm writing on one page, you know, I could just flip and just pull it down and it'll hold it in place for me. I really like that very much. And this is the pen that she also made. The dress is polymer clay, and the ribbon is the same ribbon that you see on the front on the front of the book. And she wrapped it with this blue, with the same blue ribbon as my bookmark holder. I really like this, very creative. I haven't had a clay pen, or I haven't done one myself. So she just gave me some ideas, some inspiration to make one. The goodies that she sent were mini clipboards, some ribbon, and a stamp. And the stamp is from C Loves These, right there. Hope you can see. But that's it for this video, guys. And as I said, I love doing swap. I love hosting them. And if you're on the Scrap Shack and you know you want to come and visit, sign up, become a member, and look up under the events tab, and you'll see all of our swaps that's going on. And until next time, y'all take care. Y'all be blessed. Happy holidays. Bye bye.